it's Rosie and welcome back to my channel. We are so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing a Secret Santa present opening challenge. So I have got Lily and Brooke here to help me today, and before we get on with the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one, and stay tuned all the way to the end to see what presents we get. How it works is we each get to open a present, but before we open it, we need to try and guess what is inside it, so that when we open it, then if we get it right, then we get to keep the item that is inside. But if you get it wrong, then you have to give it to one of the other players. So if I got it wrong, then I'd have to give it to Lily or Brooke. So this could either be really annoying or really good. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Run again. I don't know how to do that.
So here are all of the presents, guys, and look how good they look. There's small ones and big ones. Oh, you're actually filming us? I didn't know that. I actually didn't know that. Brooke, you get to go first because you are the youngest, so you get to pick any of these presents.
I'm going to pick this one.
Okay. Right. Moving close, moving. So.
What could it be?
What could it be? she went, oh, what could it be? She didn't go, what could it be? Oh, what could it be?
I think it's going to be clothes.
Okay.
Or like a top or any type of clothing.
So rip it off like that. So it's
oh yeah.
Why are you saying sorry to me? Did you get it right?
Yeah! It's a Rosie! Rosie! By the way, you can get these on rosiemcclelland.uk. .com.
So Brooke has actually got the pink one. Don't you, Brooke? Yeah,
yeah.
You do. Yeah.
Well, Brooke has actually got white now, and I think that's what she wanted, so you got it right, so you get to keep it, Brooke.
Yay! Now it's Lil's turn. As I said, it is now Lily's go, so Lils, you get to pick whichever one you want.
Okay. This is hard because I'm trying to think in my head while I was looking at them what one it could be. Like what it could be. Like what's inside of them. You know what? I am going to go for this one.
The box.
It feels quite different to like what it was, so like what it looks like.
Quite light.
Yeah. I don't know, this is hard. It's like rolling around a bit. Oh, this is actually really hard. I'll just picture this one. I think I'm gonna go chocolate. Alright, let's see. Probably not gonna get this right. This is a box. Yeah, chocolate might be in a massive box.
I know, but like, what if it's in like a special box?
Maybe.
This is actually chocolate. I'm actually going to. Is it chocolate?
Yes, it's chocolate.
Oh my gosh! Lils! I'm not joking. I'm just saying this. We didn't know, and we don't know anything in here. So, out of everything,
chocolate coins. It's like I can feel it moving around a bit like that, and I can like.
How did you know that?
How did you guess that? We don't even know what's inside the present.
Like literally came in a Christmas cards box.
I'm not
so that's
joking.
probably trying to trick us. So yeah.
Oh
my gosh, that is mind blowing.
I get to keep it and eat it.
Okay guys, it is my go now, and Lily and Brooke have had their go and they got them right. So the pressure is on right now. So if I don't get it right, I have to give it to Lily and Brooke and I'll be the only one without anything. So I don't know what I should like pick. I've got this big one, I've got this really long one, I've got a small one. So I've got the big one, the long one. I think I might actually pick this one. Oh my gosh, it's so light.
Shake it. There's no sound.
There's no sound, so that's gonna help, isn't it? Right, is it? So it's hard at the end, right here, that's hard, there. And then it's soft.
That's squishy.
Yeah, it's not squishy.
No, but like, I reckon it's a trick. So.
I don't know what it is. I actually really don't know what it is, but I want to get it right, and I don't want to get it wrong because I really want to keep it. It's hard at the end. Look, what? Wait a sec. I think it's some sort of like pencil case for school, so I'm going to open it now. Wait, if I rip it from here.
No, undo the bows. This is going everywhere.
That is not a pencil case. That is not a pencil case. What is that?
I knew it would be something like that. Like a kitchen roll. Is that it?
Third clip. Who are you going to give it to?
I don't really want it.
Well, then it's yours, Brooke.
Thanks.
I didn't get it right. I don't have anything.
I'll put it in my hair.
Can we get open?
That looks nice.
So,
Like I was gonna get that. It was literally a hair clip in a toilet roll thing.
I told you it was a trick. Ow.
Next round.
I'm going to pick this one next.
No, I'm picking this one.
I'm picking it.
This is mine.
No, I'm picking it.
It's mine.
I'm picking it.
No, I'm picking it.
I'm picking it.
what's it?
It's
mine.
Stop it! It's easier on my channel, guys.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It is Christmas, so it's the season to be giving. So, Brooke, you can have it because I absolutely love you and you're just amazing, and also it's your turn.
Okay. I actually don't have a clue what this is.
See, it's fighting over it the whole time, you don't even know what it is.
It's a bit heavy and it's much different to all the others. It's much different to all the others. So when I move it like this, it keeps like, it's going down to one side. So this bit isn't wrapped up.
I think it's a trick.
Yeah, but then but it's a bit heavy.
I think it's a trick.
I think it's an umbrella.
Umbrella?
Yeah.
Do you actually think it's an umbrella? If this is an umbrella, I'm actually gonna... Oh my gosh!
I love Oreos.
This is mine! This is mine! I don't have anything! I don't have anything, Brooke! Ah!
Why don't we all share it? Let's all share it.
No.
I think, oh my gosh, look at these. There's so many Oreos in it, all these. But I don't know who to give it to.
If I get it, I'll share.
If you
I don't have anything.
If you both
I would
share it.
See,
I'll
you've got something.
I'll give it to Rosie because she hasn't got anything, and I know she will share.
Oh, thank you. I will share.
Wait, guys, if you had shared that with me, then I could have made you the best Oreo cake on my channel.
Lily Bakes. Go subscribe.
It's my go.
I know you belong to somebody new.
I thought that was quite good, to be honest.
So tonight you belong to me. Yeah. So she'll go. Pick anyone you want.
I don't know.
I've got my own, the one that I want. So.
Are we allowed to pick them up and then fill them and then put them back?
No.
No,
That's cheating.
I think I'm going to go for this one. It just smells like wrapping paper. It doesn't shake. Oh wait, there's something then.
Feels your hair.
Do you hear that?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think it.
Don't give her any hints.
It feels like a
think it goes
box
to
when
one
you
of us.
open it on the lid. Like, do you know what I mean? Like when you take it out of the box and it comes up.
Oh, like that thing on TikTok where you open it and then it goes. Open it and then it goes. Yeah.
But I can't really hear anything. I think I'm going to go for a game.
A game?
Yeah. Right, let's open it. Yes.
I think you can just slide it off. But...
Oh yeah. Right, let's have a look.
If this is a game, I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go. If this is a game, I'm gonna go.
Right, I don't think it's a game.
Okay.
It's a notebook. They tricked me again.
And put it in what box?
In like a hearts box that you can like put on your tree. Right, let's have a look at this notebook then.
We can get it out.
You didn't, like, you know what I mean? Like it comes out like that. Yeah.
You didn't win it, so you're gonna have to give it to one of us.
I know.
What is it?
In a world where you can be anything, be kind. That is definitely a really good quote. Right, let me think.
Oh, so it's just a normal notebook.
It's
but you
just
can wrap
like a
stuff in.
normal note.
I don't want
But
that.
I don't know who
don't
wants
want
it
it.
more out of you two.
I don't want it.
I don't want
Probably
it.
none of you.
I don't
so-
want it.
I don't want your.
Either way,
I'm not
whoever I
having
give it
it.
to, I'll probably get it.
I'm not having
Like
it.
they'll probably let me use it anyway.
I'm not having it.
If
Right.
you give it to me, then I'll just give it back to you.
I think
Same.
I'm going to give it to
No.
Brooke.
No!
Yay!
I've got loads of notebooks at home in my
So
drawer.
I like annoying
That's
you.
yours.
And also,
No.
I have to get it back easier anyway.
It's yours. Sorry about our outburst, guys. Basically, our nan is cooking in the kitchen and some sort of food made this weird sound and we all just started laughing. So we all started laughing because it sounded like something else and I'm pretty sure you probably know what we thought it sounded like. So sorry about that. It's my go now, so let's go. Right, so I've got 4 presents to choose from. I've got 3 small ones and a massive one. Okay guys, so I am probably going to pick this one, which is small, but it's quite heavy. It's also in a really hard box. It's some sort of hard... What? What? What?
I think I know what it is.
I've guessed, but
Actually,
I
no.
don't think it's right.
It would have been bigger.
I think it's some sort of jewellery.
That's what I was going to say.
I think it's some
A
sort of
ring?
jewellery.
I was going to say like
Like,
Pandora.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So, right, my last go, right, no, not my last go, but my last like decision for this, I think it is some sort of jewellery.
Jewellery. So
Jewellery? Jewellery. Yeah.
let's see.
Let's see if I get it right. It's a Rubik's Cube. I haven't got anything right. Oh my gosh, I really, really want this. It's got all different colours on it. It's got green, white, blue, orange. It's even got pink. Which one of you has ever saw a Rubik's Cube that has pink on it? Nobody. Now I've got to like decide who I should give it to.
Me.
That's for you.
I know how to do these.
If you get it open, you can show us. I'll mix it around for you.
Smashed it.
How have you done it that quickly? Are you sure you've not like cheated?
No.
It's Brooke's turn.
It's my goal. It's my goal. I'm gonna pick this one.
No, I really wanted to choose that one.
It's hard on the outside. There's a box and then there's something inside the box, but I think it's closed again. Or actually no, I think it's like a...
No, once you have your answer, then that's it, isn't it? No,
I think it's like a makeup box, like a really big like box to put stuff in, like a storage box kinda, but small. That's my final guess. But I don't think it's that.
Well, you just said it's your final guess, so if you get this.
Oh my gosh. What is it? It's hot water.
Oh my gosh, no, you're lying.
Oh my gosh.
I really need one.
It's a Lily because she only has one thing.
So do I.
No, you don't.
And yes, I do. I just
you got the
know.
Oreos. You got the Oreos.
Yeah, and Lil's got other chocolates.
Thank you. Oh yeah. But I really wanted that.
So did I. I really, really wanted that, but I'm happy for you, Lils.
Thank you.
You're definitely going to share it with me. You don't have an option. So next round, guys, Brooke has gone off to do some urgent homework due tomorrow. If you guys have any urgent homework to do right now, press pause, go and do it, and then come back and watch the video. So if you're still watching, it is Lily's go, so you get to pick. Also, this is going to be a hard round because if Lils doesn't get it right, then she'll have to give it to me. If I don't get it right, I'll have to give it to Lils. So, Lils, pick your present. There are only 2 presents left.
Right, I don't know. I'm gonna go for this one. I think I'm going to go for this one.
What do you think it is, Lils?
You know what? I think I know this one. I think I know this one.
You actually? What is it?
I think I know this one. I think I'm gonna get this right. Guess what I think it is?
What?
A pop socket.
Pretty good guess.
Should I open it?
Yeah, you can. Well, is that your final guess?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay! It was a pop socket.
So Lils did get it right.
I really love this. It's marble effect with loads of different colours.
You're really lucky that you got that, and it will look good on your phone, but I really hoped that I would get it. But last round, guys, and it is my go, and Brooke is back from doing her homework, so brownie points to you, Brooke, for getting it done all quickly. So I've only got 1 present left, and right, I need to fill this. I really don't have a choice here. I think I know what it is. I think it's a Rosie McClelland metal straw. I definitely think it's a Rosie McClelland Save the Turtles metal straw because I can feel the hook on it and I can feel like everything else, so. I knew it! It's a Rosie McClelland metal straw. It's absolutely amazing and I love it. I told you guys, it's my Save the Turtles metal straw. Open it up, pull it out, boom. This is the perfect stocking filler, and as you all know, I've already got one, so I'm going to actually give it to Lily or Brooke. So I think I'm actually going to give it to Lily, sorry Brooke. I'm going to give it to Lily because I've got one and we can use them at school together when we drink our slushies. Yeah. Or water, normally water. But Brooke, you could get one in your stocking because it is like a stocking filler. So you could get one for Christmas.
By the way, guys, if you want one of these, then you can go to rosiemcclelland.com, which is Rosie's website, where you can get one of these.
Stocks are limited, so get yours now.
Oh, it scared me! Oh my gosh!
Once bitter and twice the shy. I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? It's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. I probably got the lyrics wrong, but it doesn't matter, I'm having fun. I've got such good gifts.
You can't open them now, not at dinner.
Yes, I can.
I think you can even put this on your ear. Ow, that hurts. Maybe not. Maybe just keep it to your
What's
belt.
a clip? What do you think it's gonna do? Be a sponge?
Keep it to my belt.
Yeah.
There you go, that's better.
I'm about to do the Rubik's Cube. I've got my 3 here and my 3 there. 3, 2, 1, bang.
Wait.
By the way, that was not. I can actually do another side if you guys want me to. So, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, just like this one. So we'll probably see you next time. Bye. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait.
And again. Whilst they're into their dancing, I'm into my baking. Go check out my latest video when it's up, guys.
Oh, that's us. So that's me there.
This is me. I'm
It's
going to
me.
get Romeo.
Yeah, get Romeo. Oh. You can't reach yours. Bro, you need to grow. Oh, actually, I can't reach
This is Romeo.
That's Romeo when he was like his first Christmas, isn't it?
Yeah.
Baby's first Christmas, yeah.
This one's mine.
That one's me.
Oh, look at me.
And that's Lily. She literally hasn't changed. Look.
I'm not having the water bottle. Get off of me. I'll tickle you. It's mine.
It's mine.
It's actually mine. Oh, no, 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 no.
I just wanted to tell you that my new merchandise is out now. So click the link down below to go to my web shop and get your own Rosie McClelland hoodie. It comes in blue, pink and white. Also, I've now got, OMG guys, my own metal straws for my Save the Turtle project. So that would be Rosie Save, hashtag Rosie Save Turtles, guys. That is my new hashtag, so bing, 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 bing. So this is my metal straw, guys. It comes with a little clip, and let me show you the actual straw. So you just take it out, and it becomes a straw, which is really, really cool. And what you have to do is you just have to pull it out and fold it, then pull it out and fold it again, and then you just kind of clip the box like that, and just slide it in, nice and easy. And then, if you don't have a bag to put your metal straw in, it's easy because you can just clip it onto your jeans like that.